Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It is very short video today, just to say literally apologise for the delay in getting any videos out. A couple of reasons why there's been such a delay in me getting anything out. My back hasn't been fantastic. I've had a pretty rough time with that over the last few months, but touch wood, I am getting better with that. My back is definitely starting to improve. Another thing is we're moving. We've bought a house. We're really excited. It's a massive undertaking to move. Well, not move the house. The house is going to be easy. It's the workshop. It's this place. It's going to be phenomenal challenge. So yeah, we're looking into that. So that's kind of taken up all of our time. Now, we've been here at this rented property in Ditton for the last 4 years, but unfortunately, after I installed the high amperage power cable into the workshop so I could do the Best Arc plasma cutter review, my landlord has been a massive arsehole about the whole thing. So he's kind of pushed us into moving. We're not going to be under his oppressive thumb anymore. He's the most infuriating person in the world. You could put this guy in a room on his own and he would still find somebody to argue with. He's just, you know what, I can't even go into it. I try not to think about him because he's just not worth the emotional effort, to be honest. So yeah, but you know, we were going to stay here for another 9 months, maybe to a year, so we could get more money together to be in a better position to buy. But yeah, he forced us into looking, and then we found this great little place in Sittingbourne. It comes with a lot of land. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a garage, but there's a couple of little outbuildings. Nowhere near enough storage for me to put any of this stuff here. So I'm going to build, eventually, a workshop complex and possibly an underground bunker. I might go full furs on this one because it's going to be ours. It's going to be our house. It's going to be our land, our garden. We can do what we want. So yeah, very excited. So excited. And I want to tell you more about it, but just can't right now. It's all just kind of going through. Hopefully we'll be there in the next few months. That doesn't mean there's going to be no content, because I am going to try and document as much of this as possible. It is a house that needs slight modernising. So as I go through and do things, you know, building a workshop, utilising the space that I have, so temporary workshop to start off with, and then then my dream workshop, which oh god, yeah, I can't. My mind's just racing with it. I'm off work this week. Today's Monday. I'm off work this week, and what I'm doing is I'm actually going to be going through my workshop. It's an absolute tip. It's disgusting. I am ashamed of it. It is an absolute mess. I've got stuff everywhere, but I have got a new engine hoist. I put a new ram in that. It didn't come with a ram. That was only 50 quid. The ram was only 45, I think. Yes, it was 40. I splashed out £5 for a dual action. So when you lift the lever, it pumps it up. And when you put the lever down, it pumps it up. So it goes up twice as quick. £5, bargain. It's just an absolute mess. It's just an absolute mess. Also bought, and I've been after one of these for a long time. This is a leg vise. This is a blacksmith's vise, proper vise to go with my anvil, so I'm very excited about that. Bandsaw, I'm still having no end of issues with my bandsaw not cutting straight. But you know, I've still got a few things I'm dealing with those. What else? Big anvil. Lovely big anvil. That's going to be a bit of a rest. That's not an anvil. That's a vise. Oh, God, you know, it's what it is. It's because it's got a little anvil built on top of it. All right. So it's like an engineer's vise. It's got a little quick release, nice wide jaws, but it's got this. That's why I bought this. This little like built-in anvil, which you don't see on many vices. So yeah, that's going to be a little restoration project. Oh, the poor old plasma cutter. I'm not going to be able to use that for a little while now. Got my fly press down here. This also needs restoring. What's that over there? What is that? Ah, that is a hydraulic pipe bender, which I need to unbox and review. There's another thing that I need to unbox and review in here somewhere as well. I can't remember what it is, but I know it's in here somewhere. It's a small thing, I think. But I am actually excited. Just a little sneaky peek. That's all you're getting. This is what I'm hoping to do this week. It's a 2-in-1 lathe and milling machine. A Sealy lathe milling machine, refurbished. It's, don't tell Laura, it's the most expensive tool I've ever purchased, but it was an absolute bargain. So I'm going to unbox that. Well, yeah, it's an unbagging, unwrapping video with that. And yeah, I want to teach myself how to use a milling machine and lathe. I've wanted to do it for a long time. So yeah, I'm going to hopefully introduce you to another YouTube channel where I've learned a lot of machine work or machine tips. It's given me the confidence to be able to buy this and know I'll be able to use it. And then I've got many projects up for that. And yeah, that's my high power, my high amperage armoured cable that was here to the workshop, and I probably would have left it here if the landlord wasn't being such a dickhead. So yeah, he's getting nothing from me at all. There's a few other little things you may have seen in the background, some other projects that I am kind of working on and kind of got on the go as well, but I've got to try and pack all of this stuff up. I've got this stuff up here, there's stuff up there, there's all the wood stuff, the scrap bins over there. Luckily I've got a lot of these stuffs in cabinets now. There's boxes that I haven't even opened up from when we moved here 4 years ago. But yeah, I'm going to try and get everything mobilised on wheels and make it a lot easier to move out. There's actually something up here as well. If you zoom in, you might know what it is. That's another thing I'm probably not going to be able to unbox. That's something else I've wanted to get into a long time, but I'm keeping that one under wraps. Something I wanted to get into for a long time. I don't think I'm going to start here. There's no point me setting it up and making room for that here. So I'll wait until we're in our house, and that's just so weird. I'm 42 years old. Buying my first house with my absolutely beautiful and lovely and patient wife. 42, I'm finally having to start doing adulting. Yeah, I don't like it. She's dealing with most of it, to be honest. Oh, one more thing. I also bought a metal shear, a metal guillotine. Doesn't look much there. It's, yeah, okay. They're only little treats to myself, these little things that I buy, but you know, I need that. That's a tool. It was a bargain, and I need that. So yeah. So big operation, going through a lot of things. Going to be quite brutal, actually. I hate throwing things out. I absolutely hate it. But I am going to try and sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. But yeah, I need to declutter quite a lot to make the move a lot less painful, and I have to be really careful with my back. Yeah, because unfortunately my back's gotten worse the last few years, and yeah, I just have to be really careful where I put my energy, my physical energy, where I spend it. So yeah, hopefully with the likes of this, oh god, where is it? There it is. Hopefully with the likes of this, I'll be doing less physical work, less lifting, and more fine machining and engineering. So yeah. So yeah, anyway, yeah, that's it. I know it's oh god, this is a 10-minute update already. I do apologise. Yes, thank you very much for your patience. I'm hopefully going to get some more train stuff coming up in the future soon. There's a few different things I'm working on. So those of you that are here to watch my train stuff, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. And yeah, you're going to get some of that again soon. There's a couple of different things that I'm working on that hopefully, if I can pull it off, it's going to be absolutely epic. Tour reviewing people, viewers, thank you again for your patience. You've got some good things coming up with some of the tour reviews, and just my friends, Toby. Big shout out to Toby yet again. To my friends, fantastic support from you guys. Thank you so much. Anyway, right, this is me. This is done. That's it. It's a short one. 11 minutes now. Thank you. Stay awesome and take care. Love you. Bye.